Okay everybody, so right now we are turning into the Overlook at Grassy Lake Road. This is a really scenic section over here. Maybe you could see a little bit from the camera what I'm seeing. Really uphill over here, and the whole area is really nice. It just doesn't feel like Florida. But when it comes to the Clermont and the Minneola area, you know, you're really kind of in something that feels different. And that's the view from over here. Really nice. You can see the homes across the lake. And that's actually a real lake. Sometimes you might hear somebody call one of those little ponds that are made when they build a lake. It's a little retention pond just for the drainage. Or maybe something that was just already there, but that's a real lake over there. So there's a lot of construction going on over here right now. Let's see, which way can I turn to show you? That section looks like it's pretty jammed up with large 18-wheelers. Some of the communities in these areas are just kind of small. Now, always do keep in mind, if you're interested in purchasing a home, if you contact me first, you'll end up paying less than if you just head straight to the home builder on your own, because I do offer incentives, so you always get a little something extra back, which does vary depending on the situation, which everyone's is unique. So contact me first, and please do check out my website at wintergardennew.com. At the bottom of every page you could always find the latest homes for sale in each community. And with that said, there is many times when home builders don't always put all their homes on the MLS. Sometimes they wait a while. Yeah, it's too many trucks. I'm going to turn around here. Hope that you found this short video helpful. I hope I can help you out over here at the Overlook at Grassy Lake. Please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I have no pressure sales, and I do get paid from the home builder or the resale home seller. So my services to you as a home buyer, I should have said my realtor service to you as a home buyer, is essentially free. Thank you for watching.